Hey shoppers, today I'm showing you this Vicsoon desk lamp. This is with the wireless charger, a USB charging port, a eye carrying desk lamp for home office with pen holder. So this is the unboxing thing, and you can see this comes in a nice box. So this is the main lamp stand. This is the light. So this light is three color modes that I will show you, and this is the power adapter. So I will just put this power adapter in the back and connect it to the power, and also connect this lamp here. So this is just click and fix. So once I connected this to the electric power, you can see the wireless charging start working and my mobile is charging. This is the three light modes that I said. It's good for your eyes, that you can select from here, on and off, and then the different modes. Also you can treat this stand like this. There is a small thingy in the back that you can just put in so that you can hold the mobile really well. And then once this is set, yeah, the charging is there, and yep. So this is also a USB port, and you can also charge your AirPods with a wireless thing by putting this down. So this one is for the USB cable, and you can also charge it with the USB cable here. See, the charging started. There is a on and off switch here for the USB charging that you can do. So it's pretty much a nice and useful lamp that can charge your mobile or charge any other device, and then also hold your pens and light and everything. Small size and LED lights with a long durable thing. So basically it's a nice design, and I will say it's a small factor design. So it's good for your eyes and your reading desk. These are the all manuals and the things that you can put with the mobile and stuff. So manual also describes everything. So it's pretty much nice lamp.